Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So to start a screen recording, you can either use a 3 combination of keys, which are Windows, Shift and R buttons, and the other way is by pressing and holding the F1 key, which is located next to a Windows button, and pressing the right Shift button with it. Then you'll have to go to this menu, to this bar at the top of your screen, and change the snip option to record. Then you're gonna have to make a selection of your screen. You can adjust it and change the size of it by dragging the sides and the corners of your selection. You're also gonna see 2 icons on this bar. The first one unmutes your microphone when you click on it, and the second one mutes your system audio. To start a recording, click right here, click start, then let the snipping tool access your microphone and wait for the recording to begin. Once it's begun, you can pause it by clicking pause recording right here. You can stop it by clicking the red square icon, and you can delete the recording without saving by clicking this icon. So let's stop the recording, and once you do that, you're gonna be able to watch the video that you record, the full video that you recorded. And if you want to trim it, you can use this quick tool at the top of your screen. You can also edit the video in Clip Champ by clicking right here. You can save the new version of the video by clicking Save As and then selecting the folder you want to save the video in. And if you want to find the video that you recorded in your file explorer, you have to open it, then go to Videos folder, Screen Recordings, and here you'll find the screen recording that was just made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.